Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chelle. Welcome to Dr. Test Prep. Right now we are helping you be the best that you can be on the PSAT, SAT math portion by using the Desmos calculator. Remember, all of my stuff aligns to Khan Academy. Right now we're doing Unit 4, Lesson 6 in Khan Academy, the isolating quantities. Make sure you click the link in the description to open up the calculator and that you've clicked College Board. If you have my book, shameless plug, page 68. If you don't have my book, no worries. Get your paper and pencil and let's take some notes. This is easy. Okay. It's basically typing everything into Desmos and comparing the functions. So I'm going to type in 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now, Desmos can interpret x and y variables mixed up in the equation as long as there's not exponents. As soon as there's exponents, we then really have to focus sometimes on the slider tool. All right, so this is my main graph that I care about. Okay, we can see the y-intercept, we could figure out the slope, but we really don't need to because we have all of our answer choices here. Let's do a of x. And if you watch any of my videos, you know that I prefer to do a of x, b of x, c of x, so we can keep track. Clearly, that is not the right function. So let's try choice B. We have 2x minus 3, not the right function. It's very pretty. C of x equals negative 2 divided by 3, x plus 2. Oh, wait, is that the same function? Purple and red? Purple and red it is. Choice C. Okay, and if you want to turn off the other ones, we can just click the green or blue, or you could delete them. I sometimes like to just turn them off because if I mistyped something, I want to be able to access them later and not have to retype it. And then once I know I have the correct solution, in this case, the red and purple, then when I move on to the next problem, I can hit the gear and delete all. All right, same thing for this next one, solve for y. Now, this is one where if you know how to do it, you could just do the problem, okay? How you would do it is we would subtract 4x from both sides. This is how they're going to show you on Khan Academy because the videos are older, which is fine, but because they were made when you couldn't use the graphing calculator. But now that you can use the graphing calculator, that's the whole point of this channel for you. 4x minus 2y. So, I did it relatively quickly the long way. And then I'm just going to even keep it simple. 2x minus 4. Oh, how simple is that? Okay, same graph. We can type in y equals, but Desmos does know that if you just have x's that as the input, that the output would be the y. So it's choice A. And we also know it's choice A because I did the problem. All right, I think I'm recording this at 4:18 in the morning, so life is life. All right, let's type in this first one. We've got A equals 5 times B plus 4. And it actually knows to graph it that way. How amazing is that? I don't think it would do it if you had the regular graphing calculator. Now we're going to just type in our answers. B equals 5a minus 4. And now it didn't know how to do it. That's why I was wondering how it knew how to do it before. That was kind of interesting. What I would do is A is going to be X and B is going to be Y. And now it makes a whole lot more sense. I have no idea why I graphed it before. So what we're going to do is Y equals for B equals 5x minus 4. Okay, that's not correct. So I'm going to leave the Y equals and put the next one, negative x divided by 5. And you can tell in this part, because it's just a simple 2/3 fraction with not complex things, I didn't hit the fraction bar first, like I showed you in the rational expressions unit or lesson. That's not the same graph. Let's put minus 4. Also not the same graph. And then let's take out the negative. Same graph. Choice D. So it was a little bit of an anomaly that the first one graphed, honestly. So if you do get ones that have other variables, just substitute for x and y. You know me, my preference is that A and X match NB and Y match, but that's just me. All right, in our next video, we're going to do a little bit more challenging questions. And I think we'll probably use the slider tool. Maybe not. We'll see. All right, this is Dr. Chelle. Bye-bye, guys.